DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of drone technology with its upcoming Avata 360, a device that could redefine how we think about immersive aerial footage. Just as users were getting accustomed to the Neo 2, a new wave of leaks has revealed that DJI is working on something far more ambitious. The Avata 360 is poised to merge two previously separate worlds: a fully capable 360 degrees camera system and a high-performance FPV drone. This hybrid approach is designed to deliver both cinematic 360 degrees capture and traditional first-person view flying in a single device, offering unprecedented creative flexibility for drone enthusiasts and professional filmmakers alike. Early leaks stirred some confusion, with images initially circulating in May thought to depict an Avata 3 prototype. It turns out these were actually early images of the Avata 360 in FPV mode. The drone cleverly hides its bottom lens with a rotating gimbal that flips it upward for protection, keeping its full 360 degrees capabilities under wraps. This thoughtful engineering not only protects the camera, but also maintains the element of surprise regarding the drone's full potential. Considering DJI's dominance in both drone manufacturing and compact 360 cameras, combining these technologies into one versatile device feels like a logical evolution, especially following the success and expectations set by the Avata 2 among advanced FPV pilots. Professional-looking promotional images have now confirmed the name Avata 360 and two main operating modes. In 360 mode, both lenses face up and down to capture a complete environment, creating an invisible drone effect that enhances immersive experiences. FPV mode rotates the gimbal 90 degrees to expose a single forward-facing lens for high-speed, agile flight. The technological improvements inside the Avata 360 are equally impressive. Each lens is reportedly capable of capturing a 180 degrees field of view in 4K, with AI-assisted stitching producing 8K 360 degrees footage. For FPV enthusiasts, the drone is expected to deliver 5K video at 60 frames per second and 30 megapixel photos, while the full 360 system could generate 120 megapixel panoramic stills. Managing such massive data requires robust storage, and DJI seems to be addressing this with 128 gigabytes of internal storage and additional microSD support. The new O4 Plus transmission system is expected to extend the range up to 20 kilometers, while flight times are slightly improved to approximately 25 minutes per charge. Beyond raw video capabilities, the drone is loaded with advanced safety and tracking systems. In FPV mode, obstacle avoidance is enhanced with front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared sensors. In full 360 mode, the lenses themselves may serve as an omni-directional sensing array, allowing the drone to detect obstacles from all directions. Advanced subject tracking, similar to what has been seen in the Mini 5 and Neo 2, is also expected to be a standard feature. DJI appears to be preparing multiple bundle options to cater to different user levels, from a basic $500 drone-only kit to FPV-focused packages that include goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries. Manual FPV mode will still require the FPV Controller 3, which will likely be sold separately. Rumors suggest a release window around December 16th to 18th, indicating DJI's push to get ahead of competitors, particularly after rival companies delayed their own 360 degrees drone launches. While the Avata 360 promises groundbreaking features, it's important to note that it is not aimed at beginners. Editing 360 degrees footage requires significant computing power, and FPV flying comes with a steep learning curve, making it a tool primarily for enthusiasts and professionals seeking creative freedom. Meanwhile, DJI is also quietly preparing the Osmo Pocket 4, which appears to be their most ambitious pocket-sized gimbal camera yet. Leaks suggest the Pocket 4 will move to a dual-camera system for the first time in the series, offering more flexibility and creative control than ever before. The main camera is expected to feature a 1-inch, 50-megapixel variable aperture sensor, matching the performance of DJI's Action 6 camera. This alone represents a significant leap in image quality for a device of this size. Additionally, a secondary 1.3-inch sensor is reportedly designed to handle vertical video more naturally, making it ideal for social media content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or stories without awkward cropping or low SS of resolution. Despite earlier speculation, the Pocket 4 will not include a dual-screen setup. What appeared to be a second screen is likely a small status display for camera settings, though its full functionality has yet to be confirmed. Battery life is expected to improve by roughly 15 to 18%, thanks to a capacity increase from 1,300 mAh in the Pocket 3 to 1,545 mAh in the new model, with the marketed value likely rounded to 1,600 mAh. This increase, combined with more efficient internal components, should allow for longer shooting sessions without compromising the compact and lightweight design the Pocket series is known for. Connectivity is expected to remain consistent, with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth Low Energy, though whether it supports the newer BLE 5.2 standard is still uncertain. The Pocket 4 appears to be an evolutionary rather than revolutionary upgrade, focusing on refining the user experience rather than radically redesigning the device. Expectations include dual cameras, an extra display, and several features tailored for creators, making it the most significant refresh for the Pocket series in over 2 years. FCC filings have confirmed that the hardware design is finalized, indicating that DJI is completing the necessary certification steps ahead of the anticipated launch. Taken together, these two products, the Avata 360 and Osmo Pocket 4, signal that DJI is doubling down on versatility, creativity, and user empowerment. The Avata 360 blends immersive 360 degrees capture with the thrill of FPV flight, opening new doors for cinematic storytelling and action sports filming. Meanwhile, the Pocket 4 provides a pocket-sized, highly capable camera that balances portability with professional-grade features. Both devices highlight DJI's commitment to innovation, thoughtful engineering, and expanding the creative possibilities available to both hobbyists and professional creators. The holiday season, or early 2026, may mark the arrival of these game-changing devices, promising to redefine the standards for both drones and compact cameras in ways that will excite creators across the board. Would you like me to also create a condensed, punchy version for a social media post or YouTube description?